Spring is here, and that means the end of the ski season. Time to move on to motorcycles and mountain bikes. But first, we gotta get one last day of skiing in. This year was a strange ski season. I'd had surgery and I wasn't even sure if I was going to be able to ski. And then we had no snow. Like zero, none, nada. It was looking like we weren't ever going to have a season. But once the snow started, it didn't stop. And when March rolled around, it snowed, and it never stopped snowing. We certainly finished the season off in style. And now we've got a bluebird day to finish off a final few runs and call it an end to the season. And that's a wrap on the season. No injuries, no big crashes, lots of fun had. Thank you, Brundage Mountain, and we will see you next year. On to the summer activities. Thank you for watching, and see you next time, adventure people.